Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where I keep giving regular updates about when I'm posting another video, or I keep giving you quick makeup tips and I keep uploading like random photographs. So anyway, today what we are going to be doing is a fun Valentine's Day makeup look. This is a really soft pink subtle makeup look which you're able to see, and I think it's very wearable and it is super easy. You'll be able to create it, you'll be able to recreate it basically very easily with very minimum effort. Now today for this look I'll be using mostly Lakme's products. I've kept it as a Lakme One Brand tutorial. I wanted to try out these products, so I thought why not try out with this look. And also guys, I think I really hope that all of you have a fun Valentine's Day, whether you have a date or not, because I think Valentine's Day is about loving yourself too. It's not just necessarily about going on dates or buying expensive gifts. I think you should do good amount of self-care, and you should probably go on a single date with yourself. That's also not a very bad idea. So I'll not waste your time by talking too much. So let's get straight ahead with the makeup. Since it's a daytime look, I'm actually going to go ahead and apply a sunscreen by Lakme. Now this sunscreen is basically a gel based sunscreen. It is really good guys, and I think I've been using this, I don't know, like for so many years, and it has not really given me any sort of trouble till date. Now one thing that you need to remember is that you don't have to rub your sunscreen on your face. Instead, what you need to do is you need to dab it all over your face. Like, this is a quick tip I want to tell you, because you basically want your sunscreen to go within your cells to be able to protect you from the UVA and UVB rays. So that's what I'm doing. So after the sunscreen, I'll be going with a lip balm. And for the lip balm today, I'm going to be using this Lakme's Lip Love Lip Balm. I really like this lip balm, and have been using it like very recently actually, but it really works well. I just need to keep reapplying it the whole day, because it's not really thick, but then again I think that's okay with me, it works with me, so yeah. So after the quick skincare that we did, what I'll be doing is I'm going to be applying a primer prior to starting this makeup. Since it's a Valentine's Day look, I think it should last the entire day, and you don't want to be giving regular number of retouch-ups to your face. I don't think you'll even get the opportunity to actually be doing it so many times. So it's better to go with something that helps your makeup stay longer. Now a primer also covers your pores, so yeah. The primer that I'm going to be using today, as I'm using all Lakme's products, is going to be the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. This primer is actually a very good primer, and it's pretty popular as well. So I think without any doubt in your head, you could go ahead and give this a shot. Now this primer actually gives you a little bit of a pink tint to your face, which usually happens right after I apply it. It's very subtle, so you don't have to worry about it. But yeah, it does give a little bit pink tint to your face. Next, since I don't have Lakme's concealer, I'm just going to be using my regular Nykaa concealer. I'm just going to quickly conceal the different parts of my face and go ahead with the next steps. Now since I've concealed my under eyes and I've just applied concealer on the places where I had breakout, I'm quickly going to go ahead with my foundation. And for today, I'm going to be using this Lakme's 9 to 5 Primer Matte Foundation. This is a new foundation that I purchased, very recently, but I have used it like 2 to 3 times ever since then, and I really like it. And I'm really thankful that this shade actually matched me. So the shade that I'm in is N220 Neutral Medium. It comes with a spatula. It's very long lasting guys, it's very long lasting. Just going to be applying it on my face and neck. Today I'm just using a foundation brush. I actually figured out that with this foundation, it's just better to go with a brush. So yes guys, to quickly finish off my base makeup, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Lakme's Ultra Matte Compact. I really like this compact, and it also comes with SPF, so I think it's perfect for daytime look. I think additional, a layer of SPF is not going to harm your skin anyway. So yes. The good part about this compact is it comes with a cute little mirror, so you can carry it around in your handbag and give the retouch up whenever you want. Next, what we'll be doing is we'll be moving on to the eyes. Now for the eyes today, I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Spotlight eyeshadow palette. Now this is actually in Smoke and Glam, which is more of a smoky eye palette. But what I'm going to be doing today is I'm just going to create a soft pink look with this. Now since I was going with Lakme as a one brand tutorial, I just had this palette by Lakme, so I'm just going ahead with this. What I'll be doing first is I'll be using this particular shade over here as a transition shade. I'm basically just taking the shade and I'm just applying it, in a very, very easy way around my eye. That's it. I'm just covering my eye. So what I'll be doing next is I'll be going ahead with this particular shade. Now what I've been doing is I'll be again going ahead with this particular shade which I used as my transition shade. I'll just be applying in the outer corner of my eyes, just to give that definition. Now as you can see, I've created this very subtle, soft pink eyeshadow look. Now if you're going on a date or if you're even spending the entire day together, I don't really think you need to wear a lot of makeup, and I think your makeup should be a little on the subtle side. So I'm just going with this. However, if you want to make it a little more glam and you want to add that hint to it, you could go ahead and use a pink glitter or something on just on top of your eyelid, and I think it's just going to add all the glam that you need. Now next what I'll be doing is on top of this eyeshadow, I'm just going to cover it up with a liner, and the liner that I'll be using today is the Lakme Iconic Liner. So since it's Valentine's Day look, I just winged it a little bit. I don't want to create too much drama, but then again I think a little bit of wing won't hurt. So next what I'll be doing is I'll be going with the kajal, and for the kajal today I'll be using the really famous Lakme Iconic Kajal. After this, I'll be quickly completing my eye look with a coat of mascara, and for the mascara today, I'm going to be going ahead with Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. I really like this mascara. This was my first mascara that I purchased, and I don't know, I don't see a lot of people talking about it, but I kind of like this a lot. It curls very nicely. Guys, it can just open up your eye, and you start feeling fresh again. So I think that is one of the most important things a mascara can do. Now just to add a little more hint of color, I'm just going to be taking up this particular color and I'm just going to add it on the lower lid. So now that I'm done with my eye makeup, I'm going to be applying a blush, and for the blush today I'm going to be using this Lakme's actually I don't know, I think it's a Lakme Absolute blush. This is in the shade Rose. So this is a very pinky color, so I've chosen this kind of on purpose, and let's go ahead and add that beautiful pink color to your cheeks. You want to be blushing all the time, so I'm sure this is going to help you. Just add a little bit on your nose as well. So after the blush, we'll be moving on to the highlighter. Now since it's an entire day look, or you just want to be going out for lunch or something, you could look to highlight your face very subtly, and you don't want to be like going all over with your highlighter. So for the highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Lakme Absolute Moonlit Highlighter. Do you see that subtle glow? Like, it's really subtle. And it still gives you that kind of highlight that you need. Just going to be adding a little on the tip of my nose. What I'm also going to be doing is I'm quickly going to pick up some highlighter and I'm going to be applying it on the inner corner of my eyes. So now we need to move with the lips. And for the lips today, I'm going to be using a beautiful color by Lakme. And I think it's a perfect color for your Valentine's Day look, especially if you're going for a pink soft look like this. And the lipstick is a Rosy Sunday by Lakme. This is from their 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte collection. I really like this lipstick, guys. I highly recommend it. And you're just going to see in a minute what a beautiful color it leaves. And also it does stay for long. It does stay for long. Now what I really like about this lipstick is it's not, very bright, and it's also not very nude. I think it gives you like that perfect little extra bit of dimension to your makeup. So I used to use this color a lot of times, especially, to either college or work or wherever it was, and everybody would ask me like, what color are you wearing? So I think, yeah, you could totally go ahead with this particular lipstick. So to finish up the makeup, I'll actually be going ahead and using a setting spray. Now since I don't have any setting spray by Lakme, I don't think Lakme has one. So I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Finish Matte setting spray. This is a very, very good setting spray, guys. I have no complaints. And yeah, so today I'm going to be using this. Please don't forget to use it if you want your makeup to last, forever. So the makeup is done. I'm quickly going to wear some earrings, do my hair, and be right back. So this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you like this look. Please do let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Also, please do let me know what are your fun plans for this Valentine's Day, and a very happy Valentine's Day from my end. Please do let me know, guys, what other videos you would like me to make, which could entertain you and which would be useful to you. And please, please, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And just keep supporting me like this. Thank you so much, guys. Do take very good care of yourself. Bye.